Vlog girl. Vlog girl. Me have something to tell you. Me have this one, my mother. She diss me, dog. She hurt me. I bet to do that if you do what she do me. Vlog girl, you do what she tell me if you do. Go cars enterprise. I go buy slice fish. You go buy fish, dog. A slice
Releasing dopamine.
We're there right just now at chill. You see it. And we're there with my brother. Man called Maki sign us in the building. Right now we're going to touch the road. And we're Zip a play some music. Big up to ZJ Sparks, ZJ Ice and the whole people. ZJ Diamond, ZJ J, the whole crew. You see it? Yeah man, so we're there. We're going to touch the road and we're going to Rum Festival. Yeah man, so right now we just travel up on the road and just pick up something fast and give you something and thing. It's Saturday and we're going to do the thing. Yeah. And me just there, just go and journey with the boy. You see it, black girl. And by the way, no negativity. If you hate me, just shut up, hit subscribe, and watch me live. Woo! Nothing can stop us, because God I'm a rock. Whoop! I'm black girl, I'm there. We're up on the road, you know, a shoe store. And me and Maki, they get some shoes. You see, Marshall Montana playing in the background. Yeah, well, I'm not getting a copyright strike. But yo, that store have some bad shoes. You know, name Oh Me, Oh My. Right? Yeah, Oh Me, Oh My. Yeah, man, go check it out today now. Which plaza? The Mall Plaza? I know Mall Plaza. Mall Plaza? Yeah, man, Mall Plaza. Yeah, so check them out. You see it? But look on these shoes. These are the shoes of my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ. Walk on water top. These are the J's too. Get them in stores. Right now, you don't even have to buy them. You get them free when you got heaven. You know what I mean? If you're certified, you get a pair of J's. You know what I mean? Yeah. Them shy vlogger, I don't know, them don't want to dance to the family. You see that shoes, yeah? It's not like the first day of primary school. You see that shoes, yeah? Big? Yeah, man, the first day of primary school. Mommy, me don't like it because I branch it. You put it on, you tell me now. You give me no money for put on. Wait, wear it. Yeah, man, you see it and she don't like it. You kick ball in it and mash it up. And you get a new one. But if you think of the escape, she just buy the upgraded one to it. You know what I mean? It's more trimmed down. It's a second grade now. You see it? But anyway, hush puppy. Get we think them. Well, me just buy a regular shirt still. A long time I not buy no clothes. My kid up on the phone. We're there. We're about to go home and just put on something simple and then we just touch out the Rum Festival and thing and just get some shoots and shoot food and thing. Hopefully can get some good content. Not from the people them go out there too. As them say. Chantel go there out there too. Yeah. So yeah, I'm there. Vlogger, so I just reach home and my yard back again. I put on some clothes quick and go touch the road, you see it. I got the Rum Festival as me tell you now. And things so I go drop on some clothes. Damn, my room dirty. Anyway, me there, I wanna go on journey with your boy, you see it? Go put on the clothes in the car and get ready, you see it? Well, go on vlog, so we're there. We're there, hope God you know. You see it? I got the Rum Festival, man called Maki there. Sign us, you see it? So we're there. I will go in at the venue, you know? And do we thing. So we're there, you see it, vlog world. So let's go and join with your boy as we touch in at the streets. We are going to kick off the Rum Festival thing and thing, you see it. So let's go and journey there, boy. Whoop!
everything turn up for me friend them not fi worry. Every single thing me sing, I miss them call me curry.
No girl can't see me and cause problem. Them a man clown so me walk on them. Me no love chat but me I want them. Tell them this a real shame.
You?
Hi. Here you go. You go to the main bar, you get one full free drink. Go to any one of these 4 booths, you get a salve.
Oh, nice. Tonks. Vlogger, so I get a free mug and thing. Look nice, I like it. It cha-cha. It cha-cha down there. I like it. And then I get one of these. So for the first time I go to the bar, I get any one of these free. Ray and nephew, Hamden, Monts Musk, Wild Card, and yeah, that free one. I guess the rest of them have to pay fee. So yeah. So anyway, we're there. Performance I go on vlog. So just go on journey with your boy. Yes.
money popping anywhere we go. Big money popping anywhere we go. Big money popping anywhere we go. Big money popping. Ha! Bang of them there.
Whoop! Rockwilers, tell them say a comma's not that. Yup.
This is Rudy. Vlog girl, I love it. Hope you guys been enjoying the content so far. Laughing at me. Why are they laughing at me?
Kick it. Hey, stand up, bing, bang, dang, bang, dang. Everybody dance. Bang, stang, dibby, dabba, debba, down, move down. How I go, how I go, how I go, how I go, how I go. Yeah, bad man.
No, don't carefully.
Wagwan vloggers, some of there. Now get some juice right now at the bar. My lovely people's assisting me. You got on yourself, you know, yeah. I want to general, you know. And this lovely, beautiful lady beside me, I don't know her, but she's so pretty. Hi.
Hi.
Yes, she's so pretty. So we're there. Jamaica Rum Festival. Drink responsibly. Yes. As an ambassador of NCDA, I will promote responsibility. So yeah, here. When the jar big, but I'm not going to drink enough. And so you can't throw it in this. Chunks, you got to dash it in that for me. Anyway, journey with the boy. Yeah? Well, I'm beside this beautiful lady with a little Appleton bag. Whole heap of goodies in there. I wonder if she not fast or she not tell me what in there. Hi, miss.
Hi.
So, let me go on next side so we can see her beautiful face. Or this way. Oh yeah, they can see us. Hi. My name is Sinos. What is your name?
Share.
Sushare. So Sushare.
Share.
Sashare.
Yeah.
Okay, I got it right. Huh? Sashare. Okay, so how are you enjoying the festival so far, apart from the sun that's going on?
It's been good. It's been great. A lot of shopping been
Oh,
done.
your mama say, oh, shop man. I say, come fit down the bar, you know. I said, no, Sashare, you go on bad man. Alright, well, drink responsibly, you know, and go and take it easy and drink some soup and eat up some food, alright?
Will do.
Oh, big up yourself, man. Journey there, boy. Whoop, hey. Whoop. So, vlog world, walk one. So, my there. Good afternoon, Chantal. I just want to let them see how you wonderful you look. My God. She look fresh off of the wall. Here, you get it? You know you look good though. Don't you know that Sinus, we don't approach ugly women, right? We approach beautiful women, right? Alright, big up yourself, Chantal. Let's journey the boy. Guess who is this? My people. My people, let me know there's some kind of money up. Yes, I love this woman, yes. Yes, baby.
Sing it with me, guys. What was it?
Right now, vlog world. Hope you guys having fun so far. We're gonna enjoy one. It's madness, man. The place a pack up and thing. See no people there. Well, you not really ram yet still. But later go ram because you have big performance by big artists and thing. But we're there. People are get them food. We just there. Just have fun. And thing elephant man a play. I've seen enough dance before, but that one a cup here, man. But anyway, vlog world, me there. Go and join me there, boy. Vlog world. Guess who I'm here with?
Too cute.
Too cute. The people want them want to know your name.
Andrea.
Okay, you know it's Andrea up in that bill. She's so the good thing then.
Yes, we have the good things.
Oh yeah, me I come. Hey. As a matter of fact, I could go over our booth right now, go check out our thing and journey with your boy. Whoop.
Me and her on Netflix and chill until when the sun come up. Head a rest on my shoulder, me and her I cuddle up, yeah. Girl on the side so she want chill.
Well, it's hot. The sun is hot. And I'm here and I'm burning up. Forget piece of dry chicken for $600. But anyway, we're hungry, so we're not hype. Lord, remove anything poisonous from the food that's wicked to my body and that can kill me. Bless the hands of the chef. Prepare a table before. Anyway, vlogger, I'm there. The party are going good so far. Hold on, Sue line. So what I skip for you? See, she skip, guys. So don't want down the line. Anyway, vlogger, just go and join me there, boy. Ooh, I go on vlogger. So I'm here with the lovely. Tell them, introduce yourself to my viewers.
So if that's what you're into, then go ahead.
Hello, I'm Cherise.
Hey, she shy vlogger, so I don't know why. Me not that ugly down. We not that ugly down crew. Alright, anyway, vlogger. She don't want me on the camera no long. So, me there, I just go and journey there, boy. Whoop.
That's not time for him yet. Who else could it be?
My there,
Mr. Wayne Marshall? Well, I guess you're just gonna have to wait and see.
So,
but we're gonna give it like
going
10
good
minutes,
so far.
just 10 minutes to change. And then we're gonna jump right into the performer. Yes, we are.
Place
This
Rum
is the Jamaica Rum Festival 2019, ladies and gentlemen. Don't go too far because the niceness is happening
So
now.
well pressed out.
So I just wanna
Go to Big Brother.
to play the music while the time goes past.
Yeah.
And then we're going to get changed.
So anyway, Black Rum. Let them know, baby. Let them tell them say about y'all hear that, Black Rum? That means bad people. They ain't serving us. She like, yo, nigga, I'm going around there. I'm going around there. Anyway, Black Rum, we just stay at yourself trouble. Baby, in trouble. So let's go and journey the boy. It's all about a vibe and energy. Let me try fast, I'm gonna stop me right there. You're a job that now.
Alright.
I may drive and drink the
ready. And when the battle is ready, it means that Mr. Entertainer himself is ready. So when I pass this gentleman
now drive fast.
the way how goodness just emanates out of the same chance of glow.
I think of yourself. When they have Black World. Up at that Rum Festival.
Man needs no introduction.
I have Black World, so hope you guys enjoyed the show. That was a piece of the excitement. Don't I never get to stay for all of the performance as I used to. You don't know me already because Maki them ready. And Maki kind of frost out still. But this is day one. Day one. One will be keeping tomorrow again. And I guess one of the main acts of the night. But tomorrow would be Sanchez. Maybe me touch too. Maybe me come out tomorrow and too. But I really didn't want to stay today, but Maki them ready. And yeah, they have my bag. I never want to press too. You know what I mean? I don't like when the show cut. When I have to walk, left the performance and then go back. I like when the entire show run straight. And then next thing, what I'm with the Wayne Marshall performance, guys, is that cut short come to put the camera up on a higher settings like Ultra HD, 60 frames per second, and my memory card not so big. But yeah, it was good. That was a little piece. Clips. And I hope you enjoy it and thing. So I go show out now, you see it. So go and journey there, boy. Whoop! Vlog world, we're there. We'll go on a mission now to the unknown world. I walk, I'm tired. From there beyond my legs, my feet, but finally we reach to the new world. Yes, yeah, the place look nice though. Only about trees and thing. Well, I know no dog. Good stuff. What? Who just said that? So I'm gonna vlog well. Finally make it through all of the walking, and we're supposed to go way out, but we're there. Way up where Moses go get the 10 commandments them from God. There. I'm just there chill. There at the pool. Until the peeps them run there so I chill. And me there. You know what I mean? So beautiful view over there, see? That's how far we are, so just there chill and thing and just a bit of vibes with the people and thing. But I really hope you guys enjoy the vlog so far, guys, and remember that when you share, you support and you comment and you like, all of that really helped me out. Because as you guys know, as me telling you, I do this full time right now, and entertainment and a whole. I do that full time, and with your support, you can help Team Sinus reach to the next level. So yeah, I'm there, frost out still, but I'm there, and yeah, I'm just there. Just go on journey there, boy.
Everything turn up for me friend them not fi worry. Every single thing me sing, I miss them call me curry. Lick up on the table where the cup they beg you hurry. With a story in my brain, me get so high, make me